Hello, this is me, Ali Raza, and I'm an owner of a Google partner company. And we help clients with Google Ads management solutions. We also help clients with the Google Ads audit setup, plus Google Merchant Center, Google Shopping campaigns, Google Ads suspensions, website development, Shopify development, Google Business Profile. We are in fact a full-fledged agency. So, in case if you need either of the help, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now, let's move to the question I have written. The question is advice on new Google Ads campaign targeting on a niche on remote company setup services. So I'm going to make the font bigger so everyone can read it very easily. So yeah, I hope it's good. A friend of mine from high school and I started a new small business using some cash from our full-time work salary. That's very good. That's very encouraging. I usually encourage businesses for starting a business. I usually encourage people for starting a business. We have a new campaign, and I wish some advice on changing target market at this stage. We started a Google Ads campaign around 3 weeks ago. We target businesses abroad who want to remotely establish a new company in our home country where we are based. We initially targeted Malaysia and Indonesia, but quickly gave up since the CPC was high for our initial budget. Instead, we started to target Pakistan. 1 week passed by, and spam leads were in. So we just said keyword. Since then, past 10 days, we had one solid lead per day. However, they just ask the price, some details, and pretty much disappear. We are considering to change our focus to new countries already since the Pakistani leads do not seem to go anywhere. Is it too early to say that? This is our first Google Ads campaign. We have no idea. We set ourselves a 3 month period to try this Google Ads project, after which we will probably quit if nothing comes up. Our monthly budget is supposed to be 500 euros, but we are using half of it right now. We consider using at least the rest of our budget, which is half of it, amount to 250 euro per month in one or two new countries. Okay, so first of all, again, congratulations for starting up your new business. Let me see again, for niche remote company. And As far as considering Pakistan as a market, any country can be a good market depending upon how much insights you have and what areas or locations you are targeting. So, because I know the dynamics of Pakistan very much, so which is why I can answer on it. But since you are targeting Pakistan, so if I was there, I would not target the whole Pakistan, but rather I would target cities, and I may target top 10 to 15 cities. That's it, because you are targeting for niche remote company. So remote company setup services, sorry, remote country company setup services. So I will focus on top 10 to 15 cities where there is the most business. And let's say if you are helping clients to open business in Dubai, for instance, just giving an example, or Malaysia, wherever your countries, I'm not sure. If you can get the data of Pakistani, people coming from which city they are coming, you can get the idea. If you can get an idea of tourists visiting the country you are targeting for remote country services, like which cities the tourists are coming from Pakistan, you can shortlist to 10 to 15 cities based on the data. So your budget is not much, so there is no point of targeting to 25 million people, but rather make your audience short. And if I was over there, I may create a specific campaign for each city. I may also add a logo or and map of Pakistan to encourage people. Okay, you can use this formula for any country. Just giving an example because you posted regarding Pakistani people. So which is why I'm just giving an example. So when you add a logo and map of Pakistan, this encourages, and this creates more personalized relation with the audience and the website landing page. So our relation with the landing page and of the audience is very important to win the customer. So that is going to be my first strategy over here. So I may add this relation, and then apart from this, I may work on my UI, and also I may work on creating a newsletter, because since it's a B2B service, business to business service. It's not something you are gonna sign up just because you saw the ad. The customer may have a lot of questions to answer, may have a lot of things to answer before they take a decision. So understand the psyche. I may also have a chat service AI. Okay, for instance, on this website, I'm going to show you uh, where we use the AI system. So you must see over here that this is an AI. So chat AI is over here. So kind of for this AI, uh, I needed to have it over here. So my chat service AI need to have newsletter. Also, I need to have social media channels. If you have any past case studies of a successful client, you can create a video and post on YouTube, uh, Facebook, create your Google business profile, get some reviews. Okay, try to understand. People coming from Google or Meta or anywhere, that is the one point, but they are going to check and verify your authenticity before signing up with you. So how you are building that trust? These are the few things which can help you. Even you can add the case studies on your website as well. Case studies on your websites seems a good idea, but try to add these relations. This can help you authenticity, bring more trust, so people can sign up with you. And specifically, if in case if you do not have any chat service, newsletter, or a way through which they can communicate and know more about you, they won't likely be sign up for you. So a personalized communication is another important thing, so that they can sign up with you. Now these are the things where I only discussed regarding the targeting, top cities targeting, not regarding the campaign much except the local cities targeting. So you can see this data needed an optimization. Apart from this, then you may look around for your timings. See the timings. I think 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. seems no, for Pakistan 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. seems good. Okay. uh, and then focus on intent with the high quality lead. What high quality key, uh, not every relevant keyword is a targeted keyword, but we need to understand the intent. For instance, if I wanted to know more about something, or if I wanted to buy it, both things are different. So we need to know the intent of the customer. This can help you. So where I suggested to create a specific campaign for each city, over like I told over here, then I needed this thing as well. That I can create a high quality keyword intent based. Ideally, I can create SKAG, single keyword ad group campaign, wherein different ad is being displayed for each keyword, because I may not be targeting more than 10 to 15 keywords. So that should be my maximum number of keywords. I wanted to try it because I also have less budget in mind, so I needed to look for that. I may also need to install anti-fraud click. I need to install conversion tracking. I also need to work on my ads as well. So ads assets needed to be worked around as well. And apart from a high quality landing page, I need to work on my ad assets. I may need to have now this is a simple ad, you may see over here. So if I try to add ad assets like these, you may see over here that how attractive my ad has become. So you may see over here that these things create authenticity and trust. So try to add assets in your ads to bring more authenticity, phone number and everything. So these things helps you in getting more sales, and then you may spend the money. So what happens is people spend the money and then they look for the help instead of spending the money. Sort out these things and then spend money, so you can have a data of what's working well for you. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I tried to be brief enough, maybe because I do not know your campaign, so there may be more insights which I'm missing around. So but if I would know, I would have known, I can definitely tell you. So I hope you like this. In case if you need a special Google Ads consultation, setup or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we look forward working with you. And in case if you have any general question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Take care. Bye bye.